And of course, you know, we gotta get license and insurance and all that stuff. Basically, my yearly plans devolve into me spending exorbitant amounts of money. I'm gonna chill back here. I'm drafting behind this Subaru right here. It's a nice shopping cart.
I know.
I'd say that's a good time. All right, ladies, gentlemen, fellas, homies, it has been a little while. I hope everyone had a good holiday season. It's like 50 degrees outside right now. I'm going to meet up with AJ here, just kind of hooning around for a little bit. It's sort of an update, if you will, on plans, what we're doing. Over break here recently, I just purchased a SF Grom. I got a hell of a deal for it. So that will be for both me, for the lady. We'll both ride that thing. I have a couple of tricks that I really want to get down this year that I haven't been able to get down. So I'm gonna really kind of put some time in on the Grom and start really building this thing out. I think I'm gonna order a cage today actually for this thing. And of course, you know, we gotta get license and insurance and all that stuff. Basically, my yearly plans devolve into me spending exorbitant amounts of money. So we bought a Grom too. I don't have any, it's not up here with me, it's down at my dad's right now. I got a hell of a deal for it. I was able to talk this guy down quite a bit. So I went ahead and purchased that. So I'm gonna start seeing some Grom content here. I've never owned one, I've never really ridden one a whole lot, even just, you know, maybe just a little bit here and there on buddies' Groms, but gonna kind of do some learning and some experimenting on that. It's not already stunted out, so I'll do a build on that as well. On something like a Grom, it's gonna be a lot less comprehensive per se than on the 636. Oh, Squid, why aren't you lane splitting up to the front? Oh, I'm cold. I'm gonna chill back here. I'm drafting behind this Subaru right here. It's a nice shopping cart. I will say, as we go into winter here, content might kind of change a little bit. We're gonna be looking at kind of some more stuff that I can film indoors. It's obviously still motorcycle related, you know, that's nothing's changing there, but I'm not going to be able to do motor vlogs like this all the time, especially when it's, you know, literally snowing out. But man, when summer rolls around, I'm planning on, you know, staying here, or at least staying with my bike, as compared to this summer. Before I really started making videos a lot more frequently, I wasn't with my bike or anything. So we'll get to actually enjoy the summer here in Colorado. I do want to travel a lot more for stunt rides, do some more videos for that kind of stuff. But yeah, we're planning on going to Lean Back with all the fellas. So Lean Back is gonna be sweet. Thinking about maybe picking up an R9. I know it probably wouldn't be the smartest financial decision, but that would certainly be sweet. Honestly, I'd love for you guys to just kind of let me know what you want me to make. I feel like I've kind of experimented with a couple different video styles and topics and all those things. So give me your feedback. I would really appreciate that. Tell me kind of what people would like to see. I like making these videos. I'm having a lot of fun with it. It's kind of nice to have a little bit of a break there, but things will be coming out, you know, normally as scheduled from here until the foreseeable future. I've been thinking about maybe bumping up videos to maybe every like 3 a week versus just 1 a week. But yeah, shit, man, I might bug out to San Diego here for a month or two while we wait out this winter, if I can swing it. But I don't know if that's gonna happen. I'll probably click the camera off here for a little bit once we get onto the highway. Go meet up with AJ, warm up in the Best Buy for a few, and then go rip around.
I know.
How's it going, man? Mine fell off. I broke the little. I got the plate right here.
Can I see yours?
Yeah.
Yeah, mine is.
There you go.
You guys both have your IDs on you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I will commend both of you for being nice.
Give me one sec.
It's always the smart thing.
There you go.
It's fine.
Can I take my helmet off?
Yeah, go for it. Alright. Are both these addresses still current?
No.
Mine is.
Mine is not.
Let's see what kind of address they tell us. Alright, just give me a couple minutes. Hang on.
Thanks, sir. Told you. It's better than getting an eluding charge.
Huh?
It's better than getting an eluding charge.
Where are you gonna get one? How's it gonna identify you?
Oh well.
Come on, dog.
We'll see.
I'll just eat it.
He goes, that was pretty cool. That was pretty.
Well, we got pulled over, left with warnings. I'd say that's a good time. Damn AJ over here popping wheelies, getting stopped by the cops. Cop was super cool. Super, super cool.
Yeah.
Happy Friday.
So,
This is bound to happen eventually.
underneath twice.
All right, so we didn't lose our bikes or our licenses. Cool cop. I remember I started this video talking about 2025 stuff, so I guess we're off to a good start this year. But yeah, more bikes, more riding. Hopefully we're gonna start making some more money, be able to pay for all the fun toys. We got the Grom coming in, so that'll be a whole another thing of its own. But yeah, guys, I don't really have a whole lot else to say. Happy New Year. Hope everyone had a good holiday season. I'll see you guys next time.